Hey guys, welcome back. In this particular video, we are going to talk about how to prepare a finance and management for your RBI Grade B Phase 2 examination. Guys, whenever we talk about finance and management, if you go through the entire syllabus, that is quite vast. So you cannot wait for your main examination. So you have to prepare these particular subject from the beginning itself. So जब भी आप RBI Grade B की study को plan करते हैं, so you need you need a good amount of time in your hand. So you can cover the all topics which generally comes under this particular one. So here in this particular video we will talk about how to prepare finance and management. Before coming this particular one, I hope you guys are aware about the syllabus. So क्या क्या चीजें आपको cover up करनी है and all. So as you can see if you talk about the mains examination, or if you talk about the phase 2 examination, so you have three subjects. One is paper 1 is ESI, that is economic and social issues. The second one is English, that descriptive writing and all, and third one is finance and management. So आज की इस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो के अंदर बेसिकली हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं finance and management के ऊपर. I'll come with videos for English as well as ESI segment. So इनको कैसे कवर करना है. So if you talk about the finance and management, so you'll get 30 objective type question which contain 50 marks, and 30 you'll face 50 marks descriptive questions. So you'll get 6 questions. Out of these 6 questions you have to write about 4 questions. Okay, so MCQ based question you'll get 30 questions. These are like case based or the simple theory based and all. And if you talk about the descriptive, so these topics are more toward to the current finance and management issues, right? So here we will start talking about finance and management. So you have two subjects, right? So finance and management is basically we have two subjects here. First one is finance, so finance, and another one is management, and both subjects they have number of topic. Okay, so here we will talk about the most important topic, or even if you see past few years, examiner they generally ask question based on a few specific areas. So I'll try to highlight those particular areas as well, right? So first we'll talk about finance. So whenever we talk about finance, financial market, so financial market where basically we study about the financial instruments. So we have number of the further classification is money market and capital market. And money market we have number of product, and capital market we have number of product. And even for we have different areas like banking, we have stock market, share market, we have money market related things, we have insurance, we have mutual funds, we have pensions. So these all are the part of this one. Okay, so first we have financial system, or India's financial system, where we have different regulators for bank as well as for financial institution. As I already told you, like RBI, we have IRDA, we have SEBI, we have PFRDA. So there are number of, you have to study these particular regulator in detail. Okay, then we have Reserve Bank of India's RBI related things. Okay, so the functions of RBI, the monetary policy, the fiscal policy, or we have Indian banking system, we have financial institutions, or especially these development organizations like EXIM, NABARD, NHB. So you have to go through these particular one. Why this particular portion is very important part? Because these are current oriented things. Okay, so every day they are working on different areas. They are coming with different schemes, or they are coming with some financial inclusion related things. So the question will be based on theoretical as well as, like we can say, fundamental as well as technical. Technical means the current related things or the new guidelines released by these particular regulators, right? So first one, financial system or India's financial system. You have to deep dive this particular area, okay? तो आपको इनके बारे में काफ़ी डिटेल में पढ़ना पड़ेगा और चीज़ों को समझना पड़ेगा, और साथ ही साथ इनसे रिलेटेड जो लेटेस्ट अपडेट है उन सबको आपको ध्यान रखना होगा. सेकेंड वन, इफ यू टॉक अबाउट कोर फाइनेंस, सो वी हैव फाइनेंशियल मार्केट, एंड व्हेनेवर वी टॉक अबाउट फाइनेंशियल मार्केट, सो वी हैव टू मार्केट हियर. वन इज मनी मार्केट, their instrument, and another one is capital market and their instrument. So whenever you talk about money market instrument, we have treasury bills, dated government securities, we have call money, notice money, term money, we have certificate of deposits and all. And in case of capital market, we have primary and secondary market. So primary and secondary market, where you will where basically you'll find shares, bond, mutual funds, debentures, derivatives. So these are the areas. And especially if you talk about financial market, like examiner, they ask question based on money as well as capital market. But if you talk about the capital market, they mostly ask question based on like derivatives. So derivative is one of the most important part from your capital market. So you need to study about the basic of derivatives, how the valuation is done, or what is future, what is options, what are call option, put options, what is swap, or even the forex market and all. So this particular area is the most important for your upcoming examination. So please go through these particular topic. If you need help for any specific topic, do mention in comment section. I'll definitely come with some videos. Apart from these two, if you talk about the finance subject, so we have some general topic as well, right? Like we have risk management in Indian banking system or in banking sector. What are the risks involved in banking? Then we have derivative, as I earlier told you. This is very important, guys. If you analyze last 2-3 years papers, so you'll definitely find question based on derivatives. Okay, so the valuations, the premium calculations, the basic trend and all. So that is part of this, because derivative is one of the largest financial market in the world. And even if you see the trading pattern in India as well, so there are number of investors who generally deal in derivatives, right? Then this is again important one, a changing landscape of banking sector, how we are generally moving from that khata banking to digital banking. Nowadays everything, like even RBI is coming with so many updates, okay, or even NPCI is launching number of products, or even if you study the UPI things or the e-rupee things, so there are so many updates as well, okay? So with the basic concept, you need to be updated about these particular product. Now recent development in financial sector, like we have portfolios investment, we have public sector reforms, disinvestment made by government. So there are a number of things. Then we have financial inclusion. There are a number of government schemes which are generally part of financial inclusion, like we have Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. So there are a number of schemes, okay? So again, that is very important one. Then alternative source of finance. What are the alternative source of finance? Like private and social cost benefit and public-private partnership. So whenever you talk about finance, so there are a number of things to study, okay? And what I experience, like whenever students, they generally prepare for RBI grade B, they first focus on their prelims examination only, okay? But your strategy should be like, you should first take care about the phase 2 examination, right? So पहले आपको कहीं ना कहीं phase 2 के जो subject है उनके अंदर अपना एक अच्छा command बनाना चाहिए. Then like first you like, or even simultaneously you can work on phase 1 as well as phase 2 examination, okay? So if you see the interview of selected candidate or toppers, they always go for both. Like phase 1 is similar to your like basic bank examination, right? If you prepare for phase 2 first and then you come to phase 1, then it is very easy to cover up, because in phase 1 you have general awareness, and if you see the syllabus of general awareness, that contain your basic finance related things, banking related things, or basic current affairs related to banking and economy. So if you're preparing this, you automatically preparing for the general awareness of phase 1, and your target should be 60 or 65 plus in general awareness in phase 1 examination. Okay, so hope this is clear to each and everyone. Now next, entire subject, because they just combine, they want RBI grade B level candidate, so they just combine finance and management. Okay, so management itself have a number of subjects. So management, next we have management, so the nature and scope of management, the management process, which is planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling, so that is the entire process. A role of managers in an organization. So this is, if you study management, it is more theoretical. So finance is like you deal with things on daily basis, okay, and that is more practical. But if you see management, so it is more theoretical. Okay, you have to study different theories about management or the entire process and all. Management, apart from the basic of management, you'll have leadership and motivation. These two are very important topic for your RBI grade B. So leadership, different leadership theories, different style, task, or the other concept about the leaders. Okay, then next one we have HRD. HRD again very important topic for your RB grade B. So a concept of HRD, goal, HRD related theories, performance appraisal. We have potential appraisal and development, feedback and performance counseling. So you'll have number of theories based on these particular thing. Like this is like goal of HRD is not just a small topic. Here you will find number of theories, appraisal theories and all. Okay, career planning, training and development, reward, employee welfares. So these are the important topic for your HRD section. Then motivation, again this is the most important if you see the management side. So motivation, morale and incentive, and there are number of motivation theories. We have number of theories, so you have to understand these particular theories in detail. They'll give you statement related questions, and you have to identify which is generally part of this that particular theory or which is not part of that particular theory, right? So theories of motivations, how a manager motivate, a concept of morale, a factor determining the morale, and role of incentive building up morale. So there are number of theories, number of concepts related to motivation, morale and incentive. So you have to go through this one. So finance and management is like you have to study two subjects for one particular section. Okay, so you have to study finance. So in case of finance, you'll have theory, you'll have basic, you need basic knowledge, you need practical knowledge as well as the current status. Okay, but in case of management, you'll have only theory. So you have to understand that particular theory. Like whenever you study management, you just feel you are running one organization. So how you will handle people in your organization. Okay, so with this particular, if you study management with this particular thought, it is very easy to understand that particular one. So guys, hope you get an idea about your finance and management paper for phase 2 examination in RBI grade B. Still, if you have any query related to any point, please do mention in comment section. So I'll come with some videos, or even I'll try to answer your queries as well. So if you find this particular video useful, please do share with your friends and do like. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye. Take care all. Have a nice day. Thank you.